Yes, in my last video, I said I was probably gonna make an app review, and here it is. The dog whistle. There, see it? Like, you could attract dogs with it. No shit. No, you gotta attract the dying hippo with the swine flu. Shut the fuck up. So, like, if you do this, like, during school, like, it will piss everyone off, pretty much, in the perimeter of where you're sitting. So, if you push this, if you could hear that, yeah, pretty much. And there's a number there. See? Damn, where is it? Well, that's a number, so I'll go put the number to 1,000. See that? What kind of frequency is that? I can hear that. I. This is really cool. You put on the continuous button on the right. You see it says manual and continuous. So you keep like fucking with it. So you keep going up and down. Like you go up and down with the line. Um, out of 10, I'd probably give this app a 7.8 and a half. So it's free, no shit. Uh, get this app. I well, it's available for the iTouch and the iPhone. And my brother will be home until like August for any of you that really gives a shit. So peace, comment, rate, rape, do whatever you want.